Hi everybody, welcome to Armcandy. We have got an absolutely stunning, timeless and classic piece of Chanel to show you today. So this is a Chanel WOC and it's in this gorgeous, soft, lambskin quilted leather. And we have got a flap closure. On the back, we've got one exterior back flap pocket. And I just love on Chanel how everything lines up so beautifully. You can just see the quality of how it's been made so well. It's gorgeous. So again, we've got flap closure, that's got a magnetic press stud fasten, and then we have one long leather and chain plaited strap. So that's that iconic looking leather and chain Chanel strap. And then inside, underneath the flap closure, we've got one flap pocket here, and then we have one zipped pocket on the flap closure there, and that goes all the way down here. And then inside we have one main compartment, and that's got 6 card slots there, and you can see it's got the little card slot holders in it. And then we have one flap pocket just here, and then we have one zipped pocket just here as well. And then inside that flap pocket you can see, so on the newer Chanels, on the older Chanels we used to having a serial tag, but we can see just here we've actually got a metal tag now with that little serial code just underneath on the newer Chanel bags. The condition of this one we have called excellent all around. It's just in a gorgeous, gorgeous condition. I'll show you all over so you can see how beautiful it is. You can see those corners are lovely. All of that lambskin leather is so shiny. There's no marks or anything like that for me to show you. The hardware, a lot of it still actually has that plastic seal on it. Again, these press studs have that seal on it, as well as the zips here and here as well. And then the strap, again, it's got that beautiful shiny gold tone, which is all gorgeous. And inside, again, there's nothing for me to show you. It is just pristine and beautiful. I'll show you what it comes with. So I'll get that closed. So we have Chanel gift bag with the Chanel ribbon on there as well, and the camellia flower on the front. And then we have Chanel dust bag to keep it in that gorgeous condition. And then we also have Chanel box inside there. We've got another camellia flower with Chanel tissue paper as well. So if you wanted any exact measurements on this WOC, you can go to the link in the description below. That is the link to shop this Chanel on our website, armcandybagco.com, so you'll find some more details on it there. If it takes you directly to this bag, that's great, that means it's still available. But if it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But it is gorgeous, so if it was exactly what you were looking for, let us know. Just send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you really love this, and we'll pop you on our request list for Chanel. We've got loads of you on there, so it will go quickly, so make sure you get on that request list, and then hopefully next time you can get in there nice and quickly. So that's your request list. As I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'll come back and pop it on my shoulder. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and if that's any help, so you can pop it on your shoulder like that, or looks gorgeous across the body as well. Or if you wanted to, just open it up, and then you can pop that strap on the inside, just like that. And then that sits very nicely like that, and you've got a beautiful little clutch as well. So it makes a perfect little night out, going out bag. It is just gorgeous. So if you wanted any more details on it, again, go to the link in the description below. Have a browse through our website while you're there. We've got so much more beautiful arm candy on there for you to have a look at. So have a browse through. Sign up to our newsletter, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us. And also while you're here, like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any more beautiful pieces like this one that we have to show you. And also on our website you'll find the How to Sell with Us page. So if you have any pieces of arm candy that you have in mind that you'd like to sell, we'd love to see what you have for us. So have a read on that page, have a read through the process, and we'll see you later with some more arm candy.